Upgrade your drive with the Podofo 11.26-inch Smart Mirror Dashcam. Enhance your driving experience with the Podofo 11.26-inch Smart Mirror Dashcam. This innovative device combines a large 1080p HD touch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, providing you with a seamless and safe way to access essential functions while on the road. With its front camera and backup camera, loop recording, and convenient cigarette lighter power supply, this dashcam is a comprehensive addition to your vehicle. Key features: 11.26-inch 1080p HD Smart Mirror Dashcam. The Podofo Smart Mirror Dashcam boasts an expansive 11.26-inch IPS strip touch display and an HD Starlight camera, ensuring clear visuals even in low light. HDR high-definition dynamic processing captures the surrounding environment with precision, significantly reducing blind spots. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This dashcam offers wireless connectivity to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can effortlessly connect your smartphone via wireless or USB cable, granting access to functions like music, GPS navigation, calls, and messages directly through the car's display. Front camera with loop recording. The built-in front camera features 1080p resolution and an advanced sensor for recording during both day and night. Enjoy crystal clear definition in your driving footage. Note: this package includes the backup camera. Cigarette lighter power supply. The package includes a cigarette lighter power supply for hassle-free installation. Simply plug in the connector to power the device, eliminating the need for complex wiring. It's compatible with 7 to 32 volt voltage, making it suitable for 99% of cars. Ample recording memory. The receiver supports up to 128 gigabit memory cards, offering ample space for your recordings. The seamless loop recording function ensures that when the memory card space is exhausted, the dashcam will automatically overwrite older video files. A free 64 gigabit memory card is included in the package. In conclusion, the Podofo 11.26-inch Smart Mirror Dashcam is your ticket to a smarter and safer driving experience. With its impressive display, wireless connectivity, reliable front camera, and easy installation, this dashcam is a game changer. If you already own one, you're in for a tech-savvy ride.